গুড ইভিনিং এভরিওয়ান, সবাইকে শুভ সন্ধ্যা। ওকে, আজকে যে সেশনটা সেটা হচ্ছে কি আমাদের সেশন নাম্বার 4 অন প্রবলেমস অন কোয়াড্রেটিক ইকুয়েশন। ওকে, এই প্রবলেমস অন কোয়াড্রেটিক ইকুয়েশনে আজকে সেশন নাম্বার 4 এবং এই সেশনটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে আমাদের এই প্রবলেমস অন কোয়াড্রেটিক ইকুয়েশনের লাস্ট সেশন। বুঝতে পেরেছ? আজকে আমরা যে প্রবলেমগুলো করব সেগুলো হচ্ছে মিসেলিনিয়াস প্রবলেম, তারপর আছে জিওমেট্রিক্যাল প্রবলেম এন্ড মেনসুরেশন রিলেটেড প্রবলেম। Actually, mensuration and geometry all are almost same platform. That is mensuration depending upon geometry. Understood? So, together we will start. Together means all category, mix-up category we will start. Miscellaneous, mensuration, geometry. Okay? Not আমরা কি করছি টোটালি আমরা পার্টিকুলার ক্যাটাগরি দিয়ে শুরু করছি না, আমরা এই তিনটে মিলিয়ে শুরু করব প্রবলেমগুলো এক এক করে, ওয়ান বাই ওয়ান উইল স্টার্ট টুগেদার মিক্স আপ প্রবলেম। ওকে, সো লেট আস স্টার্ট। হ্যাঁ, আমরা শেষ করেছি যেগুলো প্রবলেমস অন নাম্বারস রিলেটেড প্রবলেম শেষ করেছি আমরা। প্রবলেমস অন টাইম এন্ড ডিস্টেন্স, ইয়েস ইটস ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। Problems on upstream and downstream, already finished, important. And problems on ages, already important. Okay, next we finished problems on time and work. Okay, and pipe and cistern related problem. This is very important. Actually, time related. Okay, that is time and work. Problems on time and work. Then pipes and cistern all are same role, depends upon the same role, just what to understand. Okay, and today just problems on mensuration and geometrical figure, problems on geometrical figure and some miscellaneous, all together these three categories will start together. Okay, yes, problems start one by one. First problem. What is the first problem? See, the base of a triangle, of course it is triangle, right, is 2 centimeter more than twice its altitude. The category of triangle here is not mentioned. এখানে বলে দেওয়া হয়নি কি ক্যাটাগরি ট্রায়াঙ্গেল সেটা হবে। ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আমরা কি ক্যাটাগরি ট্রায়াঙ্গেল ড্র করব? আমরা ড্র করব স্কেলিং ট্রায়াঙ্গেল। যখন কোনো ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের ক্যাটাগরি মেনশন করা থাকবে না। ওকে, triangle category mention করা থাকবে না, that is isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, right angle triangle, such types of triangle the category যদি mention করা না থাকে, then what we'll do, we'll draw a scaling triangle. Understood? Draw a scaling triangle. Say A, B, C is a scaling triangle. Of course, this problem is category. From which category? Geometrical category. Okay, geometrical category. The base of a triangle is 2 more. It is the base of the triangle, that is BC. 2 more than twice its altitude. Okay, twice its altitude. Say it is the x unit. Okay, say x centimeter. Centimeter is the unit here. The base of a triangle is 2 more than twice its altitude. Twice altitude plus 2 more. Understood? This centimeter. I think clear now? Clear? If the area of the triangle is what? 12 square centimeters. It is given. So what is the area formula? When you know the base, when you know the height, half into base into height. According to the question, half into base. Base means 2x plus 2 into height means x. Understood? Is equal to what given? 12 square centimeter. You have to find the base and altitude. That is, you have to find the value of x, unknown here x. Okay. First you will write, let us assume the altitude is x centimeters. You will write what is x here. Of course, you will define x. That is altitude. Let altitude is x centimeter. Okay. First you will mention. This implies 2 will be cancelled. That means what? X plus 1 into x is equal to 12. This implies what? X square plus x minus 12 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation. You have to simplify this by middle term method. Okay. This implies how middle term, that is coefficient of x is what? 1. You have to bring 12. Isn't it? 12 into 1, 12. So 3 fours are 12. Understood? 3 fours are 12. So you can write x square plus, in place of 1 there is 3 plus, sorry. Understood? 3 fours are 12. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Minus 12 equals to 0. Understood? Now simplify. X square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 equal to 0. এটা কিন্তু তোমরা সবাই করতে পারবে. Everyone will be able to do. Okay, but the main thing is the construction of the equation. This is the main thing. Simplify, that is x, you can take common plus 4 minus, you can take common 3, that is x plus 4 equal to 0. This implies x plus 4, x minus 3 equals to 0. Understood? Either x plus 4 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. This implies x equal to minus 4. Here x equal to 3. Understood? But which one you have to accept? Which one you will accept here? Because x is the distance. Distance cannot be negative. So what is x? X equal to 3. That is altitude is 3 centimeter. And what is the base? The base is what? Base is equal to 2 into 3 plus 2 centimeter. Understood? That is 6 plus 2 centimeter. Understood? That is 8 centimeter. Base is 8 centimeter. Are they clear? Next problem. What's the next one? Yes. The next one is what? Rupees 480 is divided equally among x children. First you read. If the number of children were 20 more, then each would have got rupees 12 less. Understood? You have to think deeply. Find x. This question came in ICSE 2011. This is an important one. Okay, important problem. First you read, and how will you construct the equation? This is important. Then calculation will be able to do. No problem. But how will you construct the equation? The formation of equation is important. Rupees 480 is divided equally. Equally, what is important? Okay. The number of children is what? X. It is already given. Number of children, x. Then each children will get how much amount? Each children will get how much amount? 480 divided by x. Isn't it? Total amount is 480. Number of children is x. divide by x, the total amount, you will get the amount each children will get. Understood? This is the amount each children will get in general. Okay. But here is it's given if the number of children were 20 more. The number of children is 20 more. That means 480 x plus 20. Understood? If the number of children be 20 more, it is the original amount each will get. If the number of children increase by 20, then what will be the total amount of children? X plus 20. Then they will get what? 480 divided by x plus 20. Understood? Each share will less or increase? Will less. How much? 12. Rupees 12. And write this. Okay? This is the equation. This is the equation. Okay? It is according to the equation. Right? See, now you have to simplify this one. Now one thing here, সেটা ভালো করে লক্ষ্য করো, এই ফ্র্যাকশনটা গ্রেটার না এই ফ্র্যাকশনটা গ্রেটার, এটা সবসময় কনফিউশন হয় কোনটা থেকে কোনটা তোমরা সাবট্রাক্ট করবে, from this fraction or from this fraction. See, I'm showing one trick. Identify this one, 3 by 7 and 3 by 9. Which one is greater and which one is lesser? You are dividing 3 into 7 parts, isn't it? You are dividing 3, the same number, say 3 centimeter length, one line segment, into 9 parts. Now, whose length will be greater? This or this? Of course, this one. This is greater. So, you will subtract from this one. That is denominator. Which one is greater? You have to check. Here, 9 is greater. So, of course, the fraction will be lesser. Here, which one is greater? X or x plus 20? X plus 20 is greater. So, 480 by x plus 20 will be lesser. Understood? This way, you will identify the fraction. Now, how will simplify? Divide both sides by 12. What you will get? 30. Sorry. Understood? 40. 4 12s are 14 by x minus 40 by x plus 20 equal to 1. Understood? Take common 40. 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 20 is equal to 1. Understood? Then this implies 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 20 is equal to what? 1 by 40. Understood? This implies LCM, x into x plus 20, x plus 20 minus x. I think clear? 1 by 10. This implies x cancelled. 20 by x into x plus 20. This is equal to 1 by 40. Understood? This implies x into x, x square plus 20x. X square plus 20x. This is equal to what? 20 into 40. That is 800. Okay. This implies x square plus 20x minus 800 equal to 0. Now, you have to factorize and simplify. to solve this one. Understood? So how will you solve it? Middle term method, right? This implies you have to bring 20. See carefully. 800 means 40 into 20. That is 40 minus 20. Understood? X minus 800 equal to 0. This implies 40x minus 20x minus 800 equal to 0. This implies take common x plus 40 minus 20 into x plus 40 equal to 0. Understood? X plus 40 x minus 20 equal to 0. So either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. You will write. Understood? So which value? Either x equal to minus 40 or x equal to 20. Now x is what? X is the number of children. Understood? Number of children. Number of children. Number of children cannot be what? Negative. Understood? So x is 20. So what is the number of children? 20 numbers of children. This is the answer. Understood? Okay. Next one. First you read the problem carefully. You have to read step by step, line by line, and try to think how you construct the equation. Right? A shopkeeper purchased a certain number of books for rupees 960. Rupees 960. This is the total amount of books. Total amount of books. Okay. Costing in amount. Not number of books. Total costing of all books together. Okay. So, if the cost per book was rupees 8 less, what does it mean? That is, each book cost if be lesser. Each book cost if be lesser by rupees 8. By rupees 8. Okay. Then what will happen? The number of books that could be purchased for rupees 960 would be 4 more. That is, the shopkeeper can buy 4 more books. Okay, he can buy 4 more books. If 8 rupees 8 be less for each. So what is the okay, right and certain taking the original cost of each book rupees. Original cost. It is given original cost is rupees X of each book. Original cost of each books. Okay. So what will be the number of books? If you divide the total amount by the cost of each book, understood? Cost of each book is X here. It is given in the question. If you divide by X, the total cost of all books, here 960, then you will get the cost of each book. Understood? Here X is the cost of each book, original cost. Now, if the amount be 8 less, 8 less means what? 960 divided by X minus 8. Understood? If amount be what 8 less for each book, then which fraction is bigger? X minus 8 is more or X is more? Of course, X is more. It is the bigger. So each fraction, this fraction will be higher. You will subtract from this one, you will get what? How many books you have to purchase? These are the number of books. This is the number of books. Of course, it will reflect the number of books. Four more books you can purchase. Understood? Write an equation taking the original cost of each book X. This is the equation, and solve it on the original cost of each book. That is, you have to find what? X. Understood? Now, you have to solve this one. Okay, I'm writing this equation here because I came more left. That is 960 divided by X minus 8 minus 960 divided by X equal to 1. This is the equation. Okay. Now simplify this one. I'm explaining this again. So it is the number of book taking less amount of each book. How much rupees it? It is the number of books, the original cost. Okay, original cost. If you subtract from this one to this one, which fraction is more? Which fraction is more? This fraction is more. This fraction is more. This fraction is less. It will return 4 books. So, take common 960. So, you are getting 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x equal to 4. Understood? Yes. This implies, say, 960 x into x minus 8. So, x minus x plus 8. Understood? Is equal to, this implies x cancelled. That means 8 by x into x minus 8 equal to 4 by 960. 4 by 960. Okay. Here, that is, divide both sides by 4. It will be 2x into x minus 8. This equal to 1 by 960. Understood? Come here. This implies x square minus 8x equals to, multiply 2 by 960. 200, 6 2s are 12, 1920. Okay. This implies x square minus 8x minus 1920 equals to 0. This is the required quadratic equation to solve. Okay. Now, you have to bring what? After factorization, 8. Okay. Now, factorize this one. 1920. It will be more long. Divided by 2. Okay. Yes. Divide again by 2. 4 2s are 8. 0. Divide by 2. 2 are 4, 0. Divided by 2, 0. Divided by 2, okay. Divided by 2, 30. Divided by 2, 15. 3, 5. Understood? You have to bring what? You have to bring 8. See. 2 are 4, 4 are 8, 4 are 8. Okay. 8 into 5, 40. Okay, 40. And 2 are 4, 8, 16, 48. Understood? So 48 minus 40 is equal to what? 8. Understood? So I'm erasing. Our two factors are 40 and 48. That means x square minus 48 minus 40 into x minus 1920 equal to 0. Understood? This implies x square minus 48 x minus plus 40x minus 1920 equal to 0. This implies take common. That is, if you take common x, you are getting what? X minus 48. Understood? Plus take common 40 x minus 48 is equal to 0. This implies taking another pen, right? X minus 48, x minus 40, x minus 48 into x plus 40 equal to 0. So either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. Sorry, equal to 0 or x plus 40 equal to 0. This implies x equal to 48 and x equal to minus 40. But what is x? X is what? Amount. X is amount. So amount can be negative? No. So this portion cancel, x equal to 48. So what was the cost of each book? Each book cost was 48. Understood? That means if you less rupees 8 from 48, the amount of each book will be 40 and the shopkeeper will be able to buy more 4 books by taking each cost rupees 40. Understood? This was the problem. Okay, come to the next one. What's the next one? This also came in 2000 ICSE. Okay, see the problem carefully. First you read and think. Actually, the basic thing, all are same. The basic, all are same technique, but the stories are different. The stories are different. The basic thing are same. The hotel bill for a number of people for overnight stay is rupees 2400. Okay, 2400. The hotel bill. If there be 4 more persons, the bill each person had to pay would have reduced by rupees 100. Understood? If the number of people, number of persons in a hotel for overnight staying, number of persons be more, then of course per head costing will reduce by 100. It is the problem. Find the number of people staying overnight. You have to find the number of people, that is number of persons here. কতজন মানুষ থাকবে, number of persons তোমাকে বের করতে হবে. Okay, that is for one room. I'm giving you an example. For 3 persons, rupees 100. Okay, for 3 persons, rupees 100 for each, say. Then is total amount will be 300. If there be one more person, then of course it will divide. Per person amount will be lesser. Understood? This is the thing. So, number of people. Say number of people be what? Number of people is x. Number of people be x. Okay. Now, how will you construct? What is the total amount? 2,400. 2,400 is the amount for overnight staying. The number of people is x. That it is the original initial amount per head. Initial amount per head. But x is the number of people, number of person. Okay. Now the condition, if there be 4 more person, that is 4 more friends come, then what will be the number of, what will be the amount for each person? This. For each person this. Understood? That is, now tell me which fraction is greater, this one or this one? Of course this one, because the denominator x is more. It is what? More or less? Denominator is less. Here denominator is what? More. Okay, that means 2 by 3 and 2 by 7. Here denominator is more. So of course this fraction will be lesser. Understood? So equal to what? Amount is 100. Difference amount is 100. Different amount is 100 here. Understood? That is, per person can save rupees 100 if 4 more person. Understood? This is the problem. Now simplify. Now how do you simplify? How will you simplify? Divide both sides by 100. Understood? That is 24 by x minus 24 by x plus 4 equal to what? 1. Understood? Take common 24. Take common 21 by x minus 1 by x plus 4 is equal to 1. Understood? This implies 24 x into x plus 4. This is the LCM. X plus 4 minus x. Understood? This is equal to 1. I'm changing my pen. Okay. Here x cancel. Understood? This implies 4 by x into x plus 4. 4 by this equal to 1 by 24. You have to do all this carefully. Okay. Left side. From here. This implies x square plus 4x. X square plus 4x equals to 4 into 24. This is equal to what? 96. Understood? This implies x square plus 4x minus 96 equal to 0. This is the required equation. Okay, this is the required equation. Now, how will you bring 4? 8 into 12. X square plus 12 minus 8. Okay, understood? X square plus 12x minus 8x minus 96 equal to 0. This implies take common. This take common x plus 12 minus take common 8 x plus 12 equal to 0. This implies x plus 12 x minus 8 equal to 0. Either x plus 12 equal to 0 or x minus 8 equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 12 and x equal to 8. Now, what was the x? X was number of people. X was what? Number of people. Now tell me, number of people can be negative. Number of people can negative. No. Okay. If someone asks you, how many students in your school? Will you tell the number of students in my school is minus 950? Okay. Number of students, number of people, number of tree will be natural number, counting number. Okay. Number of natural number. So it cannot be negative. So here number of people is 8. This is the answer. Understood? This is one important problem. It came in 2000. So what is the next one? Next problem. If the least price, you will do it. Just I will from the equation now. You will complete the problem. You will solve. Now read this problem carefully. First read and think কিভাবে তোমরা ইকুয়েশনটাকে ফর্ম করবে. What is the unknown actually here? If the least price of a toy is reduced by rupees 2, a person can buy 2 toys more. It is same as like the book problem. Same as like the book problem. Just a brand, same problem. Which one? I'm showing you. This shopkeeper. Same as this one. Okay. So how do you do it? If the least price. So let the original price of the toy, say rupees what? X. Least price will be what? Rupees X plus 2. Understood? So if the original price be rupees X, the least price is X plus 2. The listed price or printed price, whatever be. Right. Okay. If the least price, the toy reduced by 2. 2 টাকা যদি কমানো হয়, what's the total amount? Rupees 360. 360 is the total amount. So what is the least original price? X. So what is the number of toys? Originally number of toys is this. The total amount including all the toys, total amount is what? Rupees 360. If X is the original price, not least price, original price, then the number of toy is this. And if you reduce, writing here say, if you reduce amount 2, then this fraction will be more. Understood? This fraction will be more, and the difference will be what? How many toys you can purchase more? 2 toys more. Understood? 2 toys more. This is the equation. Try to understand. That is, original amount is this. List price is what? X plus 2 more. Okay. If you reduce rupees what? 2, then you can purchase 2 more toys. This is the equation. Understood? How will you simplify this? First, better you divide by 2. Divide by 2, or take common 360, or take 360. 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x is equal to 2. Okay, this implies 360 x into x minus 2. That is, divide this with x minus of x plus 2. Understood? X cancel. That means you are getting 360 into 2 by x into x minus 2. Understood? These 2 and 2 will be cancelled. I'm writing here, that is 360 by x square minus 2x equal to what? 1. 2 cancel, 360 by x square minus 2x. So this implies x square minus 2x equal to 360. This implies x square minus 2x minus 360 equals to 0. This is the equation, and you will solve and you will find what? You will find the value of x. You will find the value of x. Understood? You will solve. AKCLY. My God, what is the name? What is your name? Sir, can you stream a polynomial? Yes, I will try. I will try. Of course, why not? I will try. What's the next one? See. Oh, here's a message. Live stream days. Class 9 every Friday, 9:30. Okay. Class 10 Sunday. That is today. I am doing 9:30 at the same time. Class 1 day. That is weekly 1 day. Each class weekly 1 day. And class 11 maths Tuesday 9:30. Every Tuesday. Okay, 9:30. This time is 9:30 every night for class 11 also. Okay. Now, next problem. It is also from geometry. Read the problem. If there be any mistake in calculation, of course you will chat me, you'll message. The length of the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse always in right angle triangle. Understood? So draw one right angle triangle. Okay, this is one right angle triangle. The length of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle exceeds the length of the base by 2. Oh yes, say x centimeter. So it will be what? Exceeds the length of the base by 2. So x plus 2 centimeter. Understood? And exceeds twice the length of the altitude. Oh, so you have to consider say y. Length will be twice. So 2y plus 1 centimeter. So two conditions are given. The hypotenuse, length of the hypotenuse will be 2 more in compared to base. Again it is given the length of the hypotenuse is twice the altitude, twice the height, and plus 1 more, excess 1 more. Two conditions are given. Is that it? See again, the length of the hypotenuse of a right triangle exceeds means plus more, okay, exceeds the length of the base by 2 centimeter, okay, 2 centimeter, correct, and exceeds twice the length of the altitude, twice 2y by 1 centimeter. Find the length of each side of the triangle, or you have to find the length of each side. This is length of all sides, okay. Anju Jha, good morning, good evening. Good evening. Yes, good evening. Anju, good evening. If any problem you face, of course you will tell me. Okay. Now, see, this is the length of what? Hypotenuse. Again, this is also the length of, sorry, what? Hypotenuse. But the variables are different. One length is in terms of x, another length is in terms of what? Y. But both are the length of the hypotenuse of the same side. Okay. Soul Coach, yes, good evening. So, can you tell me, these both lengths are what? Equal, isn't it? Both lengths are equal. That is 2y plus 1 equal to x plus 2. Why they are equal? These both are the lengths of what? The same hypotenuse. That's why they are equal. Understood? That's why they are equal. This implies what? That is 2y equal to x plus 1. Understood? Shift 1 on this side. 2 minus 1. This implies y is equal to what? Y is equal to, you can find y is equal to x plus 1 by 2, or one more thing, x is equal to what? 2y minus 1. Anyone you can use later on. That is y is equal to x plus 1 by 2 or x equal to 2y minus 1. Anyone. That is one relation, this is another relation, and actually these both relations are same. One is in terms of x, another one in terms of y. Okay, both are same. আমি দুটোই বের করে রাখলাম, কোনটা আমাদের কাজে লাগবে জানি না। দেখি, next relation you have to find. How will you find the next relation? Since the triangle is what? Right angle. So of course one theorem you can use. What is that theorem? One theorem you can use. What is that? Yes, whole conj, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Uh, which theorem? Tell me. Which theorem? Of course, the theorem will be Pythagoras. The Pythagoras theorem is the only theorem you can apply directly to the right angle triangle. So always remember, right angle triangle means Pythagoras theorem, and Pythagoras theorem means right angle triangle. This you will remember. Pythagoras theorem means right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means Pythagoras theorem. This you will remember. Okay? Yes, Pythagoras theorem. Yes, very good. Sindhuraj. Sindhurai. Sindhurai. Okay. Good evening. So, by Pythagoras theorem, of course, you can write what? Hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse, say x plus 2 is hypotenuse. That is x plus 2 square equal to y square plus x square. Understood? Hypotenuse square, x plus 2 whole square, y square plus x square. Hypotenuse, what is the theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. Hypotenuse. So the question may arise, sir, you took x plus 2, why not 2y plus 1? You can take, no problem. Anyone. I took here. So you can take 2y plus 1 whole square hypotenuse because both are same. No problem. Anyone you can take. Now simplify this one. This is which formula? F plus b whole square. X square plus 2 into x into 2. 2 I b, you can write 4x plus 4 2 square is equal to x square plus y square. This implies, see, x square cancelled. That means 4x plus 4 equal to y square. Understood? Y square. What is the x? You can write, you can put x equal to 2y plus 1 here, or you can put y is equal to what? X plus 1 by 2. Anyone you can replace. That is, here are how many variables? 2 variables. 2 variables are here. Okay. So you can replace one variable by another one. That is, you have to convert this equation into the same variable, either in y or in x. Okay. Which you want? Convert in x better. 4x plus 4 is equal to y square. That is x plus 1 by 2 whole square. Understood? This implies 4x plus 4 is equal to, here 4x a plus whole square, a square plus 2icb plus b square. Understood? This implies what? 16x plus 16 is equal to, multiply by 4. 4 4s are 16x plus 4 4s are 16, x square plus 2x plus 1. You got this one. Now you simplify this. Come here. Implies x square, right? X square, and right side x square plus 2x plus 2x minus 16x. Okay, plus 1 minus 16 equal to 0. Understood? That is, I shifted these two terms to the right. Okay, x square plus 2x minus 16, 1 minus 16. Okay, understood? Now simplify. X square minus 14x minus 15 is equal to 0. Understood? This is the equation. X square minus 14x minus 15 is equal to 0. So how will you bring 14? 15 into 1? How will you bring 14? 15 into 1? Is it? 15 into 1. Okay. This implies x square minus 15 minus 1 into x minus 15 equal to 0. Understood? This implies x square minus 15x minus plus x minus 15 equal to 0. This implies take common x minus 15 plus take common 1 x minus 15 equal to 0. This implies x minus 15 x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so either x equal to 15 or x equal to minus 1. Understood? So which one you will accept? X equal to 15 or x equal to minus 1? Yes, Biprato, x equal to 15 or x equal to minus 1. Correct. Very good. Very good. So which one? X was what? Length of side. Y was what? Length of side. Both cannot be negative because distance cannot be negative. So here length of side means distance cannot be negative. Distance or length cannot be negative. Never. So x cannot be negative. So this we cannot accept. Understood? The negative part we can't accept. So x equal to 15. So what is x? Equal to 15 centimeters. So base is 15 centimeter. Now what is y? Y is equal to what? X plus 1 by 2. Simplify here. This is equal to x was 15. 15 plus 1 by 2. That means what? 8. So y is equal to 8 centimeter. Understood? Y 8 centimeter. Now what will be the length of hypotenuse? You can put the value of y or you can put the value of x. Anyone. যে কোনো একটা বসালেই হবে. So better x is equal to what? X is equal to 15. So 15 plus 2. That means 17 centimeter. The length of hypotenuse is 17 centimeters. So what are the answers? What are the answer? Sorry. 17 centimeter. This is the length of hypotenuse 17, height 8 and base 15. These three are the answer. Okay, length of each side. Understood? Y is equal to 8. Yes, y is equal to 8. Very good. X equal to 15. Yes, correct. Very good. So, come to the next one. I think clear? Next problem. What is the next problem? Okay. This is another story. See carefully. First to read the problem carefully. Okay. Just I will form the equation and you will solve. Okay. A person on tour has 360 for his expense. Okay. This is the story of a tourist. Okay. Tourist. A person, there is tourist here, on tour has rupees 360. In total rupees 360. But actually in real life, সেটা কি সম্ভব? রুপিস 360 টাকা নিয়ে এসে টোর করতে বেরিয়েছে। বাট হিয়ার ইজ এ প্রবলেম। ওকে, সেটা হবে না, সেটা হবে হয়তো 36,000 হবে। ওকে, বাট হিয়ার ইট ইজ গিভেন 360, সো ইউ হ্যাভ টু ডু টেকিং দ্য 360. ইট ইজ নট পসিবল বাই 360. ওকে, সে আমাদের আগরতলা সিটি, বটতলা থেকে খয়েরপুর থেকে বটতলায় 360 রুপিস। Okay, but in reality it is not possible, but the amount will be higher. So whatever be, rule will be same. So what is the total amount? 360 for his expenses. Whole tour expenses. If he extends his tour for 4 days, oh, according to the schedule, suppose he thought that our tour will be in 10 days. Later on, he decided, no, I'll extend my tour time more 4 days. Understood? So per day expenses will be what? Isn't it? He has to cut down his daily expenses by rupees 3. Yes, of course, he have to reduce his expenses by 3. Find the original duration of that tour. Original duration means time. Here, time means what? Here, day. Let the original duration is what? X days. Original duration is X days. Let us assume. Understood? X days. Original duration is X days. Now, so per day expenses was what? 360 by X days. It was the initial 360 original. It was the original days, number of days initially. So 360 by X will return what? Daily expenses initially, daily expenses. Now he extend his tour time 4 days. X plus 4. Expenses, daily expenses X plus 4. Because tour time to say 4 days body days. So what will be this? This will be the new daily expenses. New after extending his tour time for more 4 days. So which fraction is more? Which is greater? Which fraction is greater? This one or this one? Kunta boro? Here denominator is x, here denominator is x plus 4. Denominator is greater. So of course this fraction is lesser. This equals to will be what? Understood? Rupees 3. You have to reduce. His daily expenses by 3. It was the initial expenses when he extended his tour time for four more days. It is the daily expenses. So you have to reduce by what? Rupees 3. This is the equation and you have to solve. Understood? How will you solve it? Take 360 common, that is 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 4. This is equal to what? This is equal to what? 360. Simplify x plus 4, x plus 4 minus x equal to 3. This is equal to what? X cancelled. Now x into x plus 4. 360 into 4 is equal to 3. We got this one. Now come here, left side. This implies what? This implies 1 by x into x plus 4. This equals to 3 by 360 into 4. Understood? This implies x square plus 4x equals to multiply. Okay. This implies x square plus 4x minus 480 equal to 0. You have to solve this and find out x. What will be the x? Number of deviation. Yes, yes, number 2. Number 2. Okay, good evening. Okay, now see, how will you solve it? You have to bring, what? 4. You have to bring 4. How will you factorize? See, factorize 480. Okay, okay. X square plus 4x minus 480. How will you find 4? See, factorize 480. 2. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 0. Okay. 1 2 0 again by 2 6 0 2 30, right, 2 15 here 3 5. Now group and tell me what will be the two factors for 4. Tell me what will be the two factors for 4. How will you bring 4? How will you bring 4? Tell me. Two twos are 4. 8 into 3. What? 24. Is it? 8 into 3, 24 and 20. This is 480. Okay. So 24 minus 20 is equal to 4. Understood? X square plus 4 means 24 minus 20. So x minus is equal to 4. Understood? This implies what? This implies x square plus 24x minus 20x minus equal to 0. Okay, x, take common x plus 24 minus take common 20 x plus 24. Understood? X plus 24, x plus 24. This implies 24 and x minus 20 equal to 0. So you got two vectors. Two vector. Okay. Now see, either x equal to what? Minus 24. Minus 24 and x equal to what? 20. So what was the x? Duration. There is time. Okay, time. Tour. There is number of days. You have to find number of days. Number of days can be negative. Number of tour can be negative. No, number of tours cannot be negative. So x equal to 20. That is, original duration of tour was 20 days. Understood? This is an important problem. You may get in your exam. This type of problems. Okay, this category. Understood? Next one. See. Or this also very important problem. This is also very important problem. A teacher, on trying to arrange the students of a school for a mass drill in the form of a solid square. Understood? A solid square for the mass drill. That is this type of shape. Okay, for a mass drill. That is a number of rows. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So students will stand in the cross section, the crossing point. Understood? Say the first column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 students can stand. In total, how many students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7. 49 students can stand here. This is one example for explaining. I took here. ভালো করে সেটা বুঝতে চেষ্টা করো, then the problem you will understand clearly. So exactly 49 students can stand here in the format of a square. It's a mass drill, like clear. Okay, but found that 39 students were left. There is extra. That is, after 49 students, 39 were remaining here. It is not possible to arrange them in the mass drill, in the square format. Understood? That is, let us assume in each row, the number of students are what? X. In each row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and dot, number of X number of students. That is, for each row also will be what? Number of students. The total number of students will be what? X into X. X square. Understood? Total number of students will be X square. Each row and each column, there are same number of students. Then you will get a square. Remember this. Each row and each column, you will get, you have to stand same number of students, you have to place same number of students. If number be x, then number be x. The total number of students will be x square. See here, 7 sevens are 49. Must be a square number. Okay, for square 49. But initially, when the sir tried to place them, 39 students were what? Extra. What was the total number of students? Plus 39. This is the total number of students in the school, in the mass. X is not the total number of students. X square is the number of students in mass drill, but extra 39 are left out. Okay, then second time, what sir did? Sir tried to arrange them for many extra 39 students in the mass drill. What he did? He did one student extra in each row. One student extra in each row. One, one, one. So here will be one. Understood? One student extra. Here is plus one. Here is also plus one. One student extra he did to manage all the students. Understood? I think clear? Hello? I think clear? Okay. Now, then what will be the total number of students in the mass drill? It was the initial, then x plus 1 square is the square form, but he found the shortage of 24 number of students. Shortage of 24 number of students. Understood? This is the equation actually. This equals to this. Since the number of students are same, this equals to x plus 1 whole square minus. Understood? If you solve this, then you have to find the value of x first. This implies x square plus 39 equal to x square plus ycb plus b square minus 24. Understood? Simplify. See, x square cancel. 39 equals to 2x minus 23. Understood? This implies 2x equals to 39 plus 23. This equals to what? 2. 62. Understood? Therefore, x equal to what? 31. So, you got x equal to 31. It is not the answer. It is not the answer. Okay, x is the number of students in each row. Number of students, it was in each row. X was the number of students in each row. So, what is the number of students? This is the total number of students. This is total number of students. This is total number of students. Okay. So, total number of students equal to x square. That means 31 square plus 39. 31 square is equal to what? I think 961 plus 39. This is the number of students. Okay. Next, this is an important problem. Okay. What is the next one? Two trains Two trains leave a railway station at the same time. First you read. Okay. How many problems are left out? Let me see. Okay. Oh, yes, yes. Only two problems. Just I'm explaining all these two. You will complete these two. Last two. These are the homeworks for you. Two trains leave a railway station at the same time. The first train travels due west and the second train due north. Oh, okay. It is not. It is west. Okay. The first train travel due west. It is the first one, and it is the second one. Then starts from here. Okay. The two train. The first train travels due west. You not okay. The first train travels 5 kilometers faster than the second train. Okay. Let us assume the speed is x kilometer per hour. Then it will be x plus 5 kilometers per hour. Understood? If after 2 hours, okay, after 2 hours, you have to see how much they will travel after 2 hours. That is the formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. You will remember this formula is a very important formula. Speed into time is the distance. So after 2 hours, say this train traveled here up to this 2 hours. So it will go to x kilometer. To x kilometer. Understood? And after 2 hours, these trains came here. So it will be x plus 5 into 2 kilometers. Understood? This is the distance. If after 2 hours, they are 50 kilometers apart. 50 kilometers. Oh, 50 kilometers. So you have to join this. 50 kilometers apart. This is 50 kilometers. So of course, it is a right angle triangle. Understood? It is right angle triangle. 50 kilometers apart. Find the average speed of each train. That is, you have to find the value of what? X. X. Then x plus 5. Since it is right angle triangle, what I told, right angle triangle means Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem means right angle triangle. So it is right angle triangle. So of course Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, 50 square equal to 2x square plus 2 into x plus 5. Understood? This implies 50 square 4x square plus 4 into x plus 5 whole square. Understood? This is equal to 4 into x square plus 10x plus 25. Okay. Divide both sides by 4 because 2500 divisible by 4. Okay. If you divide by 4, what will be here? This at, okay, this. So x square plus 10x plus 25. Understood? Now come here. This is equal to 625 equals to x square plus x square 2x square. 2x square plus 10x plus 25. So this implies 600 equal to 2x square plus 10x. This implies 2x square plus 10x minus 600 equal to 0. Divide both sides by 2, x square plus 5x minus 300 equal to 0. You have to solve this. Okay, after solving this one, you will get the answer. Understood? You will solve. Familiar method, very easy. Okay, this one is not so hard, very easy. You will complete, right? Come to the next one and the last problem for today. And the last problem for this session. Okay, so see the problem. A rectangular garden whose length is 60 meters. A rectangular garden whose length is 60 meters and width is 40 meters. Okay, draw first one rectangular garden. Okay, length is 60 meters and width is 40 meters. Understood? Is surrounded by a path of uniform width. Width is not given. In its interior, so interior side. Okay, interior side. This is the path. Understood? Of uniform width. If the area of the garden excluding the path is 1500 square meter, or excluding the path. So what is the area of the path? Say width is what? X meter. Oh, uniform width is x meter. Okay, let us assume in the question also it is given. You have to take the width of the path is x meter. Okay, so this is also x meter. This is also what? X meter. This also what? X meter. Understood? So now tell me the total length is what? 60 meter. So what will be the from this to this? 60 minus 2x meter. Understood? 60 minus 2x meter. What is the width? It is what? 40 minus 2x meter. 40 minus 2x meter. Okay. Now, what will be the area of this path? According to the question. According to the question. So what is the total area including road? 60 into 40. Understood? Minus what is the area of interior? Sorry, say what if the area of the garden excluding the path, only this portion, interior portion, only the interior portion. Understood? This is not necessary, only the interior portion. So what will be the area of the interior portion? 40 minus 2x into 60 minus 2x, length to breadth. If the area of the garden exploding, so area of the road is not required. The path is 1500. Understood? 1500. Now you have to solve this and you have to find the value of x. What is x? X equal to width of the road. You have to find the two. Understood? So you have to solve this one. This upon you. I am giving this problem as homework. You will complete. Just you will solve this one and you will find the value of x. Understood? This is the last problem for today. Thank you. And in the next class, next day, that is next Friday, I will try a new chapter. Okay? And from this chapter, there is problems on quadratic equation. Problems on quadratic equation. If there is any problem you face, you tell me. I will try to explain. Okay? Thank you. Good night.